Welcome to Learning Together Too. I am so glad that you're here. In this video, we are going to review the perfect division in long division using method 1. Look, our Mojituti friend Simon has come to help us. Hi, Simon. Simon, what is 60 divided by 4? That's okay, Simon. We'll work it out together. Simon, to divide 60 by 4, we need to use long division. Simon, dividing is the opposite of multiplying. So, knowing our multiplication table can help us a lot when we divide. Simon, if you have the exercise book, there's a multiplication table towards the end of it that you may like to use to help you when you divide. Simon, we are going to use method 1 to solve this problem. Simon, the first thing that we do is rearrange our numbers. The number we are going to divide is called the dividend. It goes over to the right. The number we are dividing by is called the divisor. It goes over to the left. Simon, the divisor and the dividend are separated by a division bracket. Simon, how many times does 4 go into 6? 1. Nice job, Simon. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Let's write that 1 above the bracket, above the dividend, in the same column as the 6. Now, let's write the answer from the multiplication under the 6 and subtract it from the 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Very good, Simon. Simon, now we bring down the 0 in 60. We write the 0 after the difference too. Now we get to ask, how many times does 4 go into 20? 5. Very good, Simon. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Let's write the 5 above the bracket next to the 1 in the same column as the 0. Now let's write the 20 down and subtract it. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. Well done, Simon. Look at that, Simon. A perfect division where we have 0 left over and there's nothing left to divide. We can stop now. Our answer is 15. Excellent, Simon. Notice that in a perfect division, the answer is a whole number. If this method does not look familiar, check out long division, the perfect division method 2, where Sonia, our Mojituti friend, will give us a hand. Simon, these red lines right here are helping us keep our digits in the right columns. We don't have to draw them. We just have to be careful in making sure that we write down the numbers in the columns they belong. Let's try it again. If you have the exercise book for this video, bring it out to work with it. Feel free to pause the video at any time as you follow along in the book. Simon, what is 147 divided by 7? Let's go ahead and rearrange our numbers. The number we are going to divide is called the dividend. Very good, Simon. And goes over to the right. The number we are dividing by is called the divisor. Nicely done, Simon. It goes over to the left. Simon, the divisor and the dividend are separated by a division bracket. Well done, Simon. Simon, how many times does 7 go into 1? 0. Nice job, Simon. 7 times 0 is equal to 0. Let's write that 0 above the bracket above the dividend in the same column as the 1. Now let's write the answer from the multiplication under the 1 and subtract it from the 1. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Very good, Simon. Simon, now we bring down the 4 in 147. We write the 4 beside the difference 1. Simon, with time and practice, you'll be able to see when the divisor doesn't fit into the first digit. You'll be able to do this step in your head and won't have to write it down. Instead of asking how many times does 7 go into 1, you'll ask, how many times does 7 go into 14? 2. Great job, Simon. 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Let's write the 2 above the bracket to the right of the 0 in the same column as the 4. Now let's write the 14 down and subtract it. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Well done, Simon. We're not done, Simon. Simon, now we bring down the 7 in 147. We write the 7 after the difference 0. How many times does 7 go into 7? 1. That's right, Simon. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Let's write the 1 above the bracket next to the 2 in the same column as the 7. Now, let's write the 7 down and subtract it. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Well done, Simon. Look at that, Simon. Another perfect division where we have 0 left over, and there's nothing left to divide. We can stop now. Our answer is 21. Excellent, Simon. Look, Simon, this time we did not use the dotted red lines to guide us. As long as we keep our digits in the right columns, we don't need to draw them. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming videos. For more great videos, visit learningtogether2.com. If you already have the exercise book, continue with solving the problems, and thank you so very much for your support. But if you don't have it, get the exercise book that goes along with this video. Find the link below in the description or by visiting learningtogether2.com. You might also like to get Simon or your favorite Mojituti character. To learn more, visit Mojituti.com. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And don't forget to click on the like button. See you soon! Oh, by the way, are you a puzzle person? Find your puzzle at the Vista Puzzles. Scan the QR code or find the link below in the description or by visiting learningtogether2.com.